Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was actually having lunch, but I think we need to put that to the side and talk some serious business. I know, guys, I know it's been a hot minute since I was here, and I'm just so sorry for going MIA without any explanations. But this is the reason why I wanted to shoot this video, just to explain where I've been, what's been happening, and part of that reason is to talk about this product. So before we get into this, I just want to say thank you so much for checking out my channel, reaching out to me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me. I'll leave my information somewhere up here, sienna.bali. I've been sharing things on Instagram, just to kind of tell you guys what I've been up to. But thank you so much for the support. I know some of you have been texting me, DMing me, just telling me that you missed me and you're looking forward to videos, and I'm back. So it's already December. I didn't really want to participate in Vlogmas, but the reality of the situation is, honestly, I can't really vlog. I don't think I'm quite there, to be honest, you guys. And to be honest, I don't think there's anything that exciting happening in my life. As I mentioned before, guys, I live in the village. My day-to-day life is pretty ordinary. There's nothing exciting, and most of the time we're actually home, of course, due to COVID, but also because literally we live in the middle of nowhere, so it's not like I have so many exciting adventures to take you guys on. So I don't really think the format of Vlogmas would really work for me. But having said that, I actually want to share 6 special recipes as we kind of count down to Christmas, and these recipes are very hearty, soul food, very festive, and I think you guys are going to love it. So let's get back to this. This is our brand. It's called Enkaitoong cold pressed sunflower oil, and this has been our labor of love, and this has been what we've been working on for the past 2 years. Now, a few videos back, I did mention that my hubby and I moved out of Nairobi to the village to embark on a special project, and at the time I really didn't want to mention it because things were still in the pipeline. So I'm so excited that I can finally tell you that our product is out. So as I mentioned, it's cold pressed sunflower oil, and of course you use it for cooking, you use it for shallow frying, you use it for baking, you use it for salad dressing, especially salad dressing. It's fantastic. And I also use it for my hair because it's a penetrative oil. So if you're a naturalista or someone who's just very keen on maintaining your hair, I highly recommend this oil because it's penetrating. So basically, a penetrating oil is like, for example, like coconut oil. So it basically penetrates, as the name suggests, it penetrates into your hair strands. And then of course then you use the sealing oil, which are like the heavier butters like shea butter, castor oil, and the like. So I use it for my hair, and I'm telling you guys, it's bomb. I also use it as a pre-poo before I shampoo my hair. And in the next few weeks, I'm going to document how I've been using this product. Of course, as well, I use it for my skin because it's a very light oil. It's highly moisturizing, but at the same time, it really absorbs into your skin very nicely, and it's not greasy and doesn't leave you feeling like, like that feeling you get like you put so much oil on yourself, you don't feel that with this oil. So I want to document all these things for you guys so that you know how to use the oil should you decide to purchase it. So speaking of purchasing it, we're currently stocked at Zucchini, specifically in 4 outlets, Village Market, The Hub, General Madenge, and ABC Place. And we currently stock our product in 1 liter. So this is a 1 liter bottle. That's how it looks like. We also have 3 liters, and the unit price, when you calculate the unit price for a 3 liter compared to the 1 liter, this is actually cheaper. And then we also have the Madwong. This is the 5 liter. As you can see, it's really heavy, it's big. So we also have a 20 liter, which of course you guys know I can't carry a 20 liter mtungi, but we have a 20 liter for people who want to buy the oil wholesale. So when it comes to price, we have different prices because we're based out of Nairobi. We are based around Eldoret. So we have different prices depending on your location. So if you want to find out more information, please go and check out our Instagram page, which is at Enkaitoong. I will leave it somewhere up here. And of course, that is a place where we share all the information in regards to our product. So guys, I really hope you're going to go and support us, try out our oil, give us feedback, let us know how you're enjoying it. And I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for the support. For those that have already been purchasing our oil, Thank you guys for those who came to the zucchini farmers market that I think happened like when end of October. We participated. Thank you guys so much for all the support. We truly appreciate it. And with that, as I mentioned, I was having my lunch. I'm currently having a salad. So this is basically broccoli. I don't know, I think you guys can see it, but it's broccoli, bacon, dried cranberry. What else is in there? Some nuts, mayonnaise, and of course our cold pressed sunflower oil just as a dressing. So this is the recipe that I'm going to share with you guys today. It's a very simple, quick and easy, delicious salad. You can have it like as a meal, or you can also have it like as a side dish as you're preparing your Christmas menu. So with that, let's get into the recipe, and thanks for watching. So to start with, I am just going to place the blanched broccoli, and blanching is basically when you boil something for a few seconds and then you just dip it in ice water just to stop the cooking process. So I blanched them for like a minute and a half, and then next I'm adding some fried bacon, and I normally like my bacon very nice and soft, but this time around I just made them slightly crunchy because I wanted to feel a bit of the crunch as I'm eating my salad. So next I'm adding caramelized onions, and I used the remnants of the fat from the same pan that I used to make the bacon to make the onion, just so that the onions can also, get packed with really nice bacony flavor. I've added cashew nuts. You can use almonds, but I didn't have almonds, so I just used what was in my cabinet. I added dried cranberries that you see on the side. I'm adding sugar and apple cider vinegar. So the sugar and the apple cider vinegar kind of balance each other off, a bit of sweetness against a bit of acid. So I'm adding some homemade mayonnaise. I uploaded a video a few weeks back showing you guys how to make homemade mayonnaise. So if you want to check it out, just please go to my profile and you'll see it all there. And lastly, I've added our cold pressed sunflower oil as the dressing for this salad. Guys, wasn't that such an easy, delicious, quick recipe? As I mentioned before, now I'll be sharing 5 more recipes as we come down to Christmas, and some of these recipes will actually highlight how to use our cold pressed sunflower oil. So with that, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for tuning back in. I know I've been MIA for such a long time, but guys, I'm back. So with that, as I mentioned before, we are stocked at zucchini. So if you want to purchase our product, this is how it looks like. We also have distributors in Nairobi. So if you want to get the information, I'll leave a link to our Instagram page where all that information is uploaded. So with that, I just want to say have an awesome week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.